Hello guys, welcome back to SUNAINA'S kitchen, and today I'm going to share Malai chicken recipe. So don't forget to watch this video till last, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get my latest video notifications and updates. So let's get started into the video. Take an empty bowl, add half cup of thick yogurt. To it, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste and black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients. Now to it, add 1 tablespoon of green chilli paste, tablespoons of lemon juice, now I'm going to take chicken pieces, 250 grams of chicken, and I'm going to marinate this chicken for at least 3 hours in refrigerator. To cook this chicken, take an empty pan, add 4 tablespoons of pure ghee or oil. When the ghee gets heated, now I'm going to add the whole spices. Green chilies chopped and half a cup of onions, nice and finely chopped. Add a pinch of salt to fry the onions. Are nicely cooked, and now I'm going to add the marinated chicken to it, and I'm going to cook this on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid. Oh, you can see how nicely the chicken is cooked. I'm going to add the soaked kaju and badam paste. It's 1 cup approximately. Now I'm going to add half cup of water. Now again cook this chicken for at least 5 minutes on medium flame. You can see how nicely the chicken has cooked, and now I'm going to add half tablespoon of garam masala powder, yeah, now it's almost done. You can see how it is cooked. Now you can add 1 cup of fresh cream to it and cook for only 2 minutes and put off the stuff.